You are just learning how to be good in dialogue with yourself. So we need to be skilled in the way we are pondering about ourselves. You're tracing the steps of who you became, which part of environment, which kind of world you created for you. So what is the storytelling that you're telling to yourself about who you are? And maybe you're also learning how we can retell that story in many different ways. Maybe you always tell the story about yourself in the same way, but we all know very well that your past can be retell in many different ways, and maybe then you gain a different perspective, different attitude towards life.